Walmart. I want to know, is this the best amplifier at Walmart? Pioneer, the GM E360X4. Of course, it's 4, 3, and 2 channel 1000 watt max. I'm not sure what the dyno is. Maybe we'll get us a dyno one of these days and we'll start doing this. But of course, y'all can see, I think the price is $139 right here. I don't know if this is the best amp or this Pioneer right here. Let's see. I'm not Pioneer, but the Power Acoustic amp. Y'all may know, but I actually did try this one there a long time ago. It was pretty decent, but it just didn't do what I wanted to do. That was kind of when I was just starting out or whatnot. Well, not really just starting out, but you know, you're just trying to get something local and you're just trying to throw something in there, and that's usually what it is. Of course, y'all already know about the Power Acoustic Razor amp right here. The 2500D. I think they make one that's a little bit bigger than this. I'm not really for sure. I know these amps were down to like 70 some bucks at one point. They're up at 109 for the Power Acoustic Razor. It says 450 watts at 4 ohms and 650 watts at 2 ohms. And I'm really trying to find out where they get the 2500 watts at. Really, that's kind of far off. But I don't know, maybe y'all can leave that information down there below and let me know if it's really what they say it is. Which, I mean, I haven't had no bad experiences with it, but I'm sure y'all can tell me. Some of y'all probably still run it. Y'all know more than I know. But you can see the specs right here if you want to pause it and check it out. Of course, I guess you can use this amp for a little bit of everything from the way it looks. I'm trying to see. Yes, let me see, here we go. Yes, 70 watt by 4 RMS at 4 ohms, 90 watts by 4 RMS at 2 ohms, 150 watts by 2 RMS at 4 ohms bridged. Okay, well, of course, y'all can see all that right there. Well, like I said, if you're on a budget, this definitely probably be a way to go. There are a bunch of other options. Of course, y'all can use the links down below to pick that up. But, of course, they do have the Jensen right here. Is that a different one? RB89. It's the same one, right? It's the same one? No, that's a different one. Of course, that's different. Yeah, that's different. Yeah, but of course, y'all see the Jensen 1000 watts peak. I have seen somebody say they run this one. I actually heard it one time on a set of door speakers. I think it did the job though. But of course, you want to get this on a budget. It's $79 for the. Well, let me see. I guess that's the $79 one right here. Maybe the 1000 watt one. Or maybe this one right here for $79. I think that's a 4 channel as well. And the 2 channel right here is it may be the 119. I'm not sure, man. The price is just anywhere. I think no amp right there.
This is the.
Okay, the 4 channel. The 4 channel Jensen right here is the 119. Of course, that's more than the Razor Class D amp right here. But the, what is it, 2 channel? The 79 right here, that'll be that one. Leave down below if you use these amps. I remember just starting out getting, I didn't have a Jensen, but I did use a Power Acoustic, and I had a couple of Pioneers and stuff too. Rockville, things of that nature. But of course, you know, the best amp is something you can afford. So definitely stay in your budget until you get too far into the bass thing. You start getting outside the budget, and you do what you got to do to make it happen and keep it going. But of course, y'all see the price range right here from 79 up to 119. And I think the Jensen one is the most expensive one, I believe. No, that's not the Jensen one. Maybe that's the. I don't know what amp that is.
This is the Jensen.
What's this mono amplifier right here?
The Jensen right here.
Yeah, that's fancy. Hopefully y'all can hear this video. I got this case on here. Of course, y'all know I ain't bring no camera in Walmart. What is it? It's a Pioneer.
That one's not there. That's another Jensen. It's
okay,
Class D amp.
Okay, maybe they have another Jensen amp. It's a 119. They don't have that one in here. But of course, I just had to bring y'all a little video, man. I haven't brought y'all none of the Walmart updates in a while. So I figured I'd slide by and get y'all a little bit of footage out of here. Late night, man. Of course, y'all know about the SoundStream crossover. I guess that's what this is, right? What it look like? No, it's not. No, it's not.
Processor.
Yeah, the processor. My bad. I thought it was a crossover. Looked like one at first. But of course, y'all can pick up the head units or whatnot. Y'all know I leave links down below, you know, for y'all to get anything. But sometimes you gotta get in Walmart, get what you need or what you know, fits the budget or whatnot. Of course, y'all know they got the kickers right here, the C10s, 300 watts peak. But yeah, they got a lot of them new kickers came out, pretty affordable too. But I don't know, they're $74 cheap, but you know, that's definitely something to look into if you're in the kicker and you need to pick it up right quick. You come on to Walmart and get what you need. They got the Sony right there. But anyway, man, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Of course, y'all know, y'all been to Walmart before, I'm sure. You can get your wiring kits. But of course, I'd like if y'all use the links down below to support the channel. To help the channel grow. Maybe I can get to more shows or whatnot. And I appreciate y'all. Be sure to like, subscribe, tune in. See y'all back on the next one.